If you want to set up a CAPTCHA, we won't stop you. Let's learn how you can do it with Fastly's WAF. Here we have our login page. We want to make sure that only humans are accessing this content. To do so, we're going to open up the Next-Gen WAF console and configure a rule. We have this rule configured to trigger when there's a query parameter and the name equals CAPTCHA challenge. Then for the action, we've configured browser challenge, also known as a CAPTCHA. That's all we need. Let's deploy this rule and see it in action. Now we've refreshed the page and we can see our custom logo, this fun little astronaut character. You can set that to whatever you want. Now let's solve the CAPTCHA and we're back to the login page. Now let's look at the stats on how these challenges are being solved. We've seen a number of workspace requests where we've returned this challenge. Now let's refresh and we can see stats that someone has completed this challenge successfully. So we're actively logging all activities, successful and unsuccessful, and interacting with this CAPTCHA. That's all it takes.